In this video, you are going to see how to share only on tab or sheet in Google Sheet. Here I have a Google Sheet and you will see I have multiple pages. If I click on this share option, the whole Google Sheet will be shared. But I want to share only this page. So let us click on right button over this page and go to this option copy to and click on new spreadsheet and click on open. Then a new spreadsheet will be appeared. Now you can share it from here directly, but if you change something in the original sheet, the data will not be reflected in the new sheet. If you want to link these two, you can use our trick. Let us remove this data from my new sheet. Click on delete, then the data will be removed. Now I am going to link these two sheets. Now go to the new sheet, click on the first cell and click on equal sign. Input a formula import range and start the left parenthesis. You have to input the spreadsheet URL in the inverted comma. So here is the original sheet and let us copy the URL from here. Then go to the new sheet. Let us input a inverted comma and paste the URL over here and close the inverted comma. Let us input a comma. Now I have to set the range string. The range string means the reference of the sheet of the original sheet. So if I go to the original sheet, you will see the name of the sheet is percentage. So here let us go again and input a double inverted comma and write the sheet name over here, percentage, and input a exclamation mark and write the range. Here you will see the range of the data is A1 to F12. So if you want to connect the whole ranges, just go to over here and write here A clone Z and A clone Z. Input the double inverted comma. Now let us close the bracket and hit enter. But you will see there is a reference error. Let us click on it and click on allow access. And you will see the magic. I have connected the data successfully. Now let us go to the original sheet. Let me remove this 3 name from here. Then go to the new sheet over here and you will see it is reflected over here. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.